Hey guys, this is Trey here, and today I am making a video on how to use OBS, right there. And OBS is a free site, just free to use, and first you go here, no thank you. You go here, you just look up OBS, and then you just click it in, obsproject.com, it's here. Click whatever you have, like Linux, that's just for special types of computers. Mac OS is for an iMac or something, and stuff like that. And then this is for Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. They also have, if you don't have those, it'll probably show up as like 6, 5, 4, whatever they have. But Windows 7 is probably the latest that you can have, or not the latest, but the oldest you can probably get right now, unless you haven't updated your computer at all. But that's pretty good. And you click that, and it'll say, do you want to do this? And you click, it's waiting for a response. You would click run, and then it'll ask you a whole bunch of setup information, but let's just X out of that now. By the way, just want to link this below. Here is Pretty in Pink. She is my sister, or she is, yeah. And I'll link her below. She has 9 subscribers. Please subscribe to her. Thank you. And alright, let's do this. OBS, to record, I'm recording right now. You press start. It'll say start recording. Right now it says stop recording because I am recording, and once I click it, it'll stop recording. But that's the end of the video that I'm going to stop it. So first, you go to File, you go to Show Recordings. If you want to upload your recordings to YouTube, I said that I would post this on my channel, or not. Well, yeah, my channel, but also I said I would post this to my website. So if you wanted to start YouTube, you would know. So here's my latest that I did. Right, it's the latest I've done because I was making an animation for my dad. Hey guys, this is Trey here, and today I'm making a video on how to use OBS. Oh, right there. Never mind. And never mind, guys. That was the starting of this video. It's this one here. That's this video that it's recording right now. Here's the video. It's me making an animation. See, I'll say play. I go up the ladder, and then I slide down whee, into the water, and the water moves a little bit. Now, you click that, then that's just you upload. Then you go to YouTube, which I have here. I'm going to get rid of that. There's my channel. If you guys want to go to my channel, it is, it's awesometrey72.weebly.com. Weebly is spelled right here. And you click this to take you to my channel. You click this to take you to Pretty in Pink. And here are some of my other videos. Puppy Hugs is great. And check out Long Live Santa. Puppy Hugs is probably the best. And this is just a music video kind of thing. And I'm surprised it didn't get taken down yet. It's I'm on my way. Yeah. And then here's a cool game I made up. Not that cool, but then this is how you can make your website and stuff. I'll probably also make a video on how to make a website, stuff like that. But let's get to YouTube here. I'm running Windows 10 right now, which is the best you can currently get. So here's some of the people I watch. I'm going to click here. So if you're planning to upload, you can either click here, go to your channel, or you can just click this button. And it's the upload button. See? And what you want to do is you want to click this, and then you want to click your one and you want to open it. open it to here, and it'll be here. You can call it anything you want. Here, I'm just gonna call it animation. Number 1? Animation 1. And I'm just gonna say, hey guys, this is an animation I made. It is for a friend's website for bounce houses. If you want to use it, feel free. Now that's just stuff I make. I like to tag it to like animations, comma, animation, comma, cool vid. There we go. Now I'll just make it public, add a message to my video. I don't want to add to a playlist. No. Here's some thumbnails. I'll set this as my thumbnail because I want him to be on the slide. Here, publish now. Alright, and there we go. Now, once it's there, you should just be able to click. You should just be able to click the X and just, yeah. So now that I'm here, I've gotten it, and here's DanTDM. I can go to my channel right here. Shout out to DanTDM, by the way. I'll go to my channel, and it's right there. See? 34 seconds ago, animation 1. Now that's how you make a YouTube video. And this is how you use OBS, stuff like that. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks, and bye!